Yeah.
That's it. You flashing?
Yeah.
It's recorded. This way. Watch the stairs.
There.
This side as well. Contact. In front of me, boy. In front of me.
Huh?
In front of me. Go on then. It's low there, Harry.
He's there.
Hit! Dead man! A grenade got me. Dead man coming through. Dead man! Dead man. Harry. That grenade got me anyway. So look.
That was all of it. Straight right there.
Yeah.
And
Not as good as that.
No. I turned around and looked at two people and went, "Are you dead?" And they didn't answer me.
No, and then the Zubek stormed it.
I should have shot him, shouldn't I?
Yeah, if you didn't answer, you should have just blasted him, yeah. You shot in the hand then?
Right there.
Oh. Your fuse won't go with that, that fuse won't go with that.
I was going to look that way. No.
Well, there might be.
Huh?
What you want to do? Yeah.
Close. I take it we've missed our response.
I apologise for shooting me in the goal. You're probably doing everyone a favour. Open or not? Yeah, so you can congratulate him. Still open?
No. Banded. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Oh, mate. I've got more kills with the impact than I have with my gun today, I tell you that.
Throw the stones at me, like, and I'm running away. They're following it in with the gun.
Yeah. Go on there as well.
Oh no, yeah. Oh, back when.
Where's Richie? He bottled it.
Yeah, he did.
He ran out.
Yeah.
Still open, Felix. Closed.
I'll show
Don't call me Felix. I am much better looking.
Put me hand up and dead man. Someone shot right in the hand. Straight in the arm.
30 seconds, Bandit. 30 seconds.
You ready, Dan, to run up?
You know they're both their teams there.
No, they're not.
I bet you
It's here.
fucking shoot you in the face.
I shoot everybody in the face.
15
I don't
seconds.
really hit many people, do I? So
What were those mad wait one.
yeah, them white ones that I buy from Phoenix go, yeah.
Bandit team, your regen is open. Go.
Go.
Last call of the 3 days.
Swap blood blister.
Yeah, we'll pick it up. Okay.
Ja, full team is here, 2 seconds. Go back there, go on. No more from through.
Okay. Where from? Further up?
Yeah, we can drag it. Yeah, I reckon we can drag it halfway downstairs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
In that room in front of us.
One up here.
Banded. There's one on the stairs.
Dead play! Get away!
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hang on then.
Wait, oh, you guys shoot again? No. Gun hit! If you shoot at the guy by the doorway, that's me and Morty here. There's a wall behind me.
See if you can get around. Yeah. See if you can get around. Where they can go up. Shoot them.
No. Dead man!
Hit! Medic! Banded medic!
He shot me cock.
Shot. Let's play it.
30-second hit?
Yeah.
No.
Bandit medic on the set.
No bandit, coming through. No bandit. Dead man. Dead man.
Bandit upstairs. Not bandit.
Dead man.
Did you get shotgun then? Did he shoot you?
Yeah.
What?